Hi Warriors. Okay, today we're going to talk about goals 3 and 4 and how to play the game. So goal 3 and 4, I am going to still try to meet world energy needs. I'm also going to try to keep my carbon dioxide levels under this 540 parts per million. And up here what we're going to do is switch this drop down right here over to energy efficiency. And for goal 3, we're going to change this advanced options to change this solution. This is carbon capture and storage. In the video, you should see another video to show you an example of carbon capture and kind of the benefits and drawbacks of what that is. But we're going to crank that up to 1 gigaton. This is a really audacious goal. Right now we do 0 gigatons of carbon capture and storage, so that's a lot of carbon. So to make this switch is a big switch, okay? So it's not really realistic, but we're going to see what impact that has on goal 3. So we're going to go apply, and we're going to do the same thing that we did before. We're going to invest in different industries. We have to meet that energy demand. And again, we are trying to invest in those industries to make those sliders bigger. Reminder that anything below biofuel and below do not produce any carbon dioxide. So oil, coal, gas, and nuclear are the non-renewable resources. Everything else is renewable. But then anything from biofuels and down does not produce carbon dioxide. When you're looking at these three here, coal will give you the most energy and the most carbon dioxide. Oil is second place in both of those for both energy and carbon dioxide, and gas comes in third place for both. Third place in the amount of energy you can get from it, but also third place in carbon dioxide. So that will help hopefully on your strategy. So again, as we apply and run those decades, we're trying to get all the way over here to 2110 and keep our carbon dioxide under that 540 parts per million. Once you finish goal 3, you'll move to goal 4. Every time you reset on goal 3, you have to go back in here and change that back to 1 gigaton. Every time you click reset, it's going to go back to 0. For goal 4, you are trying to test to see which one of these two solutions is a better solution. So 0.5% is current rates of energy efficiency improvements per year. So think about, it doesn't seem like a very big number, but if you think about, light bulbs, we went from an incandescent light bulb to a fluorescent light bulb to an LED light bulb in a couple of 100 years. It took us a long time to be able to make a better light bulb. So if you think about all the other things that we use energy for, it takes a long time to figure out how to make them better. So do not change energy efficiency very much per trial. Do not go over 1%. That would be really, really, really unrealistic. So you're going to want to stay under 1% change of energy efficiency. Carbon capture and storage will work like your other sliders. As you run through decades, you can make this even bigger. Again, that is really audacious and also not very realistic, so I would stick around that 1 gigaton range. The thing that you do not want to decrease is energy demand. Populations are going to continue to increase. They're going to continue to develop. So no matter what, we're going to need more energy. However, once you figure out your what you think the correct solution is or the best solution, you can turn this up to see if your idea is correct. So and then the important thing is when you go through this part of the lab, so on part 4, make sure you only change one thing at a time. So you'll notice here it says energy demand 2% or more. So these should all be like 2, 2.5, 3. Your energy efficiency setting you should change in small increments only. And then your carbon capture amount should be somewhere around that 1 to 2 gigaton. So then, did you meet energy and carbon dioxide needs, yes or no? And then this would be your observations might be, I ran out of carbon dioxide, I ran out of energy, something along those lines. So that will give you an idea of, does that solution work? And if so, which one's the easiest way to get to the end? okay? So what setting made the biggest impact? That's what you're trying to figure out in this section. So make sure you control your variables and only change one thing at a time. All right, Warriors, good luck in solving the world's energy problems and happy gaming.